Hello friends, in the last video you see how to make contours from a stockpile in Trimble Business Centre. Now I am going to teach you how to make KML files in Trimble Business Centre. I have a file as the name of stockpile boundary which is in DWG. Okay, I need to make a KML of this file. So what can I do? I simply open a new window in Trimble Business Centre. I will save it as stockpile boundary. Okay, as you can see, it has been saved in the stockpile boundary name. So first of all, I have to choose the actual coordinate system, or I have to change the coordinate. So I know the coordinate of the boundary. Okay, change coordinate system. Sometimes it will not appear in this portion, so I have to go to the customize quick access toolbar, then go to the more commands. So I need to go to the customize toolbar option, then quick access toolbar. I need to search the option of the converting change coordinate system. As it's already has been imported in the quick access toolbar, that's why it's not shown here. So first of all, I have to delete this change coordinate system, close. Then I have to choose from here. Now it will appear in here. I have to choose the change coordinate system option. Okay, I need to choose where is the change going. I need to choose so as you can see, this is the option change coordinate system. I have to click, then export to the bar, then I can up or down from this arrow. Where I need to stay this, I will go to that portion. Suppose I need to give it after the coordinate system manager, so click on OK right now. As you can see, it is appeared. So I have to choose the actual original coordinate system. I will choose 45 north WGS 84, as I know the coordinate system of that file. I have chosen that option. So I need to import the file. Simply import like this. It takes some time. So as you can see, the file is imported. Now I have to make a KML of this file. So simply go to the home tab, then click on Google Earth option. After clicking the Google Earth option, it will appear a selected entities which is in the data menu bar. Okay, data system. I have to choose. I need to choose select all, as I have only one line. So now it is asks me to give me the altitude mode. I will claim on the ground. If I choose absolute, this also can be happen, but I will change it in claim to the ground, or it is automatically it is chosen as claim to ground. Then click on apply. As you can see, the one object was exported. Now it will go directly to the Google Earth on that file. So as you can see, my file has been exported in Google Earth. It is shown in the Google Earth. So sometimes it will, how can I choose the actual Google Earth profile in actual coordinate system? As you can see, it is shown in 45 north. So simply, if I don't know the coordinate where I surveyed or not, so simply you can see here, go to the view option, then click on tools, go to the tools option, then click on option. I need to choose UTM, click on apply, click on OK. As you can see, it is shows 45Q, and here in the coordinate system I have chose 45 south. Okay, I hope you understand how to make a KML in the Trimble Business Centre. But before finishing this, I will teach you how to generate or make the coordinate system in the change coordinate system here. Okay, simply go to the coordinate system manager. So I have to choose the actual coordinates. Go to the coordinate system, then I have to choose UTM worldwide. Okay, only have one option, UTM. As you can see, it will show me the zones. I will choose anything from here as per my requirement. Okay, I will choose, if I will choose south. Okay, now it will give me the name of the zone parameter, then projection, then shift, then geodetic model. I will choose OK, close. So here is another option. I can directly choose from here in the change coordinate system also. I will choose UTM first, then the zone. Suppose I need to work in 33 south, then I will choose the 33. I will choose now the horizontal datum, which is 1984 WGS. Then next, if I have any kind of geodetic model, I mainly choose no geodetic model, then finish. Now I am going to click on the, so as you can see, the lastly chosen coordinate system has been appeared here. I hope you understand how to change the coordinate system in the Trimble Business Centre also. So if you like my videos, please share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.